you and Asher
Over here.
giving the dog bath and daddy.
No.
Uh-oh. No, not yet. You're not done yet.
Huh?
Hold on. Next
Where do I do it?
Hold on. Hold on to it. Not in his head. Not yet. We need more water. Go get the hose and bring it over.
Good boy, Scotty.
How about this?
No. Nope, not that, Caleb.
Bring the hose over here. I want to keep him on the cement here so he doesn't get aggressive. Get some
I'll
more.
hold the
Should
dog.
have went the other way.
Hold the dog. I'll hold the dog.
Bring the hose over. Please.
Not under.
No.
I want it.
No. All the dirt on him now.
I want it.
No.
Why?
Because it's all dirty now.
I want it.
You can touch, you can help him in the leg. It's Ash putting the soap. Help daddy dry the dog.
Look, he does.
Do you want to get your own towel, Ash? Man. Scotty. See?
Scott, now you're wet.
Wipe his face, his head. Scotty is all nice and clean.
And shiny.
You a shiny dog.
He's a shiny dog. Now what about... Ah! Get away from him.
Shaky, shaky dog. Is he clean now, Ash? Asher, is he clean now?
He smells like he's
Not stinky anymore.
smells like he's green.
Are you clean now, Scotty boy?
Another one.
Another red. Probably just dry in the sun now.
What? A big towel.
Yeah, that one's wet.
Side.
Yeah.
What about this one?
You can use either side.
Maybe this one.
Okay, it's time to brush the dog now. Let me try.
I don't know.
Try to use the other side, Langga.
This one?
Yeah,
Oh, let's roll the hair on him.
I know.
Why?
Okay, brush his leg. Oh, he's trying to catch a bee because he likes to eat a bee. Scotty, are you all clean now, Scotty? Scotty boy. Scotty boy. On his right here in the back. Let mommy try.
No, on this side.
Right here. Nope, not like this. Right here, on the leg.
On the back leg.
Yeah, that down like that.
This is sticky thing there. I'm trying to get it off. I don't know. He's a Scoodle Pie.
He's all done now. He's nice and clean.
His name is Scoodle Pie. His
Nice
name
and
is.
clean now, huh?
His name